We're back with a brand new video, and this time we're reviewing the brand new Insta360 GO 3S Retro. Let's get straight into it. So that's right, we're reviewing the brand new Insta360 GO 3S Retro. Now what makes this really unique is it doesn't have a display and it uses the module from the GO 3S, but let's take a closer look at it. So here it is, and yes, this is the Insta360 GO 3S Retro, and as you can see I've got the white version, but it also does come in a red version. It's also customizable. The whole camera only weighs 80 grams and can record up to 4K 30 frames per second and take photos up to 12 megapixels. Now the camera module is the GO 3S from Insta360, but what makes this so unique is that camera housing with its analog viewfinder. Now because this camera doesn't come with a display, the way you change your settings is through the Insta360 app, and you get to change all the common settings like video resolution, field of view, picture profile, etc. Now to operate the camera is really simple. All you do is press and hold on the side like this for a few seconds and the camera powers up. Now a single press like this takes a photo, and a double press starts recording a video. Now it can record up to 4K 30 frames per second, and let's take a look at the quality from the camera. And if you're wondering what the audio quality is like from this small compact camera, well, this is it here. It comes with two built-in microphones, and yeah, this is what you can expect. Anyway, up next, let's look at its photo quality. Now another unique thing with this camera, because it doesn't have a display, it does come with a viewfinder, but this ain't an electronic viewfinder, it's completely analog. Let me show you a close-up. And the way this works is pretty nifty. It works in the same way as a periscope on a submarine. Basically there's a mirror placed at 45 degrees with a lens on the front, a lens on top, and they both work in unison together to give you exactly the same aspect ratio as the camera's sensor size. Now another thing with this camera is obviously it uses the Insta360 GO 3S module, and this can be removed from the housing. Now with this camera module there is no SD card, it has internal storage. It also has no USB-C port for charging, but what does come in the kit is one of these. Let me show you a close-up of this and what it does. So what this is the battery pack that connects on the back of the camera module and increases the capacity of the battery by double. It also comes with a USB-C port for charging. Now connecting the GO 3S camera module to the battery pack is very simple. Basically both are magnetic, and also the battery pack has clips. And as soon as the camera module is attached to the battery pack, it automatically increases that battery capacity by over twice the amount. Now by removing the rear of the camera housing just like this, you can see that we now have a hole, and this hole fits the battery extender, which will double the time for your recording. And the camera slots into the housing using its magnet and its clips, just like so. Also included in the kit is this neck pendant, which is magnetic, which can hold the camera module. This is really handy for when you want to go hands-free but you still want to record at 4K 30 frames per second. The other good thing is the battery pack that comes with the module is also magnetic. That's right, both the camera module and battery pack can connect to the neck pendant both at the same time. So who exactly would benefit from the Insta360 GO 3S? Well, anybody looking for a lightweight, compact, travel, everyday use vlogging camera. It fits in your pocket, can be hung around your neck, and means that you're not using your mobile phone all the time, which is susceptible to damage. If you're looking for a camera that's simple, easy to use, and a lot of fun, then the Insta360 GO 3S is the camera for you. I'll leave links to this camera down below and in the top pinned comment, but let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see further content from myself, hit that subscribe button and we'll catch up in that next video. Thanks for watching, see you soon.